Eagles are among the most powerful birds in the sky, but their most extraordinary gift is their vision. Their eyes are up to 8 times sharper than human eyes, thanks to a dense concentration of photoreceptor cells. From miles above, eagles can detect even the slightest movement below. Imagine this. A golden eagle can spot a rabbit from over 3 miles away. Their vision allows them to lock onto prey with deadly precision. Where we see blurry shapes, eagles see sharp details and vivid colors. Their retinas are specially designed for detecting movement, even in dim light. Truly, eagles don't just see the world, they dominate it with their unparalleled vision.